So it's in the database, select star from blah, blah, blah. Okay, hey, I see what the issue is or something. And then so I issue a delete statement. Oh, I got to delete this duplicate record sometime. So delete from wherever. And then I think I don't know what it was. I either forgot a semicolon or I just forgot to put the conditional. And so it just deleted the whole table. So all the students in the whole database.
Oh, and this is you're a few weeks into the job, right?
Oh. Yeah, it was bad. And so I realized what I did when I saw the little status bar was 70,000 records updated or whatever. So I'm like, okay, that's bad. So I kind of freak out and realize what I did and then realize I can't undo it. And then I walk over to the kind of infrastructure DevOps kind of team, whatever they're called back then, and networking team. And I was like, guys, I think I made a mistake. I need help. And I deleted this whole user table. And so obviously they were just that's not good. Show me what you did. And they were just giving me a hard time, a little hazy. Yeah. Which was good, but they weren't too worried. They have backups everything, and we were able to restore it. It took maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, there was a 10-minute outage there, which sucked, but we were able to restore it. Everything was fine. Okay, cool. Deep breath. Go back to my table. Cool. They helped me. That was good. I learned a good lesson there. And then I'm in the terminal still or whatever in the editor, and I'm like, okay, let me actually do this now. And I just hit go again, and I just delete it again. I don't know, I just didn't select the where statement or something.
And so
that was bad. So then I walked back over to them with my tail between my legs and just kind of was I just did it again. And
I'm sure they're cracking up at this point.
Oh yeah, that wasn't good. I thought I was going to get fired or something, but they were just making fun of me. That was bad, but that's what I think that experience. Now, to this day, I do still a lot of database look and work and make sure everything's looking good and analytics. And anytime I ever issue a non-select statement, it's in my head, I go 3 times. I go, this table, not production. It's you triple check 3 times on what you're doing before you hit the execute button. Cause that was a hard lesson to learn early in my career.